So we've got a beef curry on the go today, beef and potato. It's really, really delicious and easy to make. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so at the back, you can see 1, 2, 3. Potatoes, I've cut them nice and small. Tomatoes, try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. And then our beef. I've got about 800 grams of beef there. A stewing beef, which I've cut quite small. There's 3 regular sized tomatoes there and a couple of decent sized potatoes, 1 cup of onion, cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, the big 4, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, cumin, chili and coriander powders. Fresh chili, entirely up to you how much you want to put in. We're going to start this off with some cumin seeds and some oil. Let's get moving. So I've got in there about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil today. You could use something different. I'm going to get some cumin seeds in there, a couple of teaspoons. And then what we're going to do is add our beef. In that goes. Just going to get some salt in the mix now. And we're on an above medium heat, and I want to go for about 6 or 7 minutes. So you can see we've got a beautiful colour on there. We're now going to add 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. I'm going to add my fresh chilies now as well. Entirely up to you how much you want to put in. And then we're going to go in with my potatoes. And then we're going to keep going again on this fairly lively heat for about another 4 minutes. Really beautiful. Let's get those tomatoes in. Fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. 1 teaspoon each. Chili powder, turmeric, coriander, cumin powder. In it goes. Another 5 or 6 minutes again on this nice lively heat. What we want is those tomatoes to break down, and if you use the nice juicy one, you're going to get some form of liquid or gravy or masala. So you can see I've done okay with my tomatoes, but don't worry if you haven't, because we're going to add some water anyway. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the heat down, not to a simmer, but just above a simmer. I'm going to let that go for about another 6 or 7 minutes. Nearly done. Look at that. It's reduced down massively. Off goes the heat. Check it for salt. I'm really happy with that. Cilantro or coriander in at the end. Give it a mix. You've got yourself a really, really beautiful beef potato curry there. And there you go, job done. Really easy, really nice and tender that beef is now, and of course spicy. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well, everyone. See you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.